What if you could see the hidden world around you in 500x detail? This tiny device might completely change how you look at everyday objects. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're checking out this Auto Focus Digital Microscope, a portable gadget designed for magnification, photography, and exploration. First impression, this thing is super compact and pocket-friendly. Lightweight and portable, built-in 2-inch IPS display, easy handheld design. You can literally carry a microscope in your pocket. The 2-inch IPS screen is surprisingly good. Bright and clear colors, real-time viewing. No need to connect a phone. You can instantly see what you're magnifying. Super convenient. Now the main feature, 500x magnification. Ultra macro lens. Autofocus makes it easy to use. Best results when placed close to flat objects. From tiny scratches to fabric details, everything becomes visible. Even in low light, this works great. 8 adjustable LED lights, bright and natural illumination. Clear viewing in dark environments. No more blurry or dark images. This is more than just a microscope. Capture photos, record videos, and save directly to device or PC. Great for documenting your discoveries. Want a bigger view? Connect it to your PC via Type-C. Works with Windows and Mac. View on a larger screen? Perfect for teaching or presentations. Battery and performance. 400 milliamp hour battery, about 1.5 hours usage. Fast charging in around 1.5 hours. Not super long, but enough for quick sessions. This device is perfect for watch and jewelry repair, students and education, nature exploration, hobbyists and collectors. It's fun and useful. So, is it worth it? Easy to use autofocus, portable and lightweight, good magnification for the price, built-in display, no phone needed. But battery life is limited. Best for close-up flat objects only, not a professional lab microscope. Still, for everyday use, it's a super cool gadget. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Caring Guy, bringing you smart tech made simple. See you in the next one.